Welcome to MDCAT registration. From PMDC website you will click on MDCAT registration button, then you will land to the MDCAT registration portal. First you have to sign up by clicking the sign up button. Then you will write first name and father name. Now you will select the identification type. Either it is CNIC, B form, NICOB, foreign passport, or foreign registration number in Pakistan. You will enter the identification number and its issuance date. Furthermore, you will enter your mobile number and active email address. Now you will set a password and reconfirm your password and click on Submit button. You will receive a verification email. You will verify your account by opening the email. Then you will be able to log in to your account. In the login page you will enter your registered email, identification number, and password and click on the login button. You will be navigate to registration form, where you will be able to add your details. Your name, CNIC and phone number will be auto-generated from sign up. You will enter your date of birth, gender, CNIC issuance date, residence city, address, domicile city. You will select Desire University registration, which will not be editable once submitted, and exam city. You will enter FSC, A-level marks, and attach your FSC, A-level mark sheet and your picture. Then you will click on Proceed to Payment. Your form will be submitted and details will be shown with payment option. You will have two methods to pay your fee. One is Challan and the other one is debit, credit. Thank you.
बुलेटिन के आगाज में आपको अहम खबर से आगाह करते चलें।